I don't hate the guy. It is Thanksgiving Day. Hello world, Dean here. Got ourselves a conundrum today with the silver 245. It's been sitting all summer, haven't touched it since we went to buy the black 245. It's bad. As you can see over here, our nice 245, it's a little bit dirty. Leaving a car to sit, it gets pretty bad. Worst part about it is this is the nicest 245 I know of. This is the nicest 245 that I've ever seen. Since I haven't been around, the old lady hasn't been driving this car, and nobody's really touched it. We did put E-codes on it at the beginning of the summer. But as you can see on the hood, it's got lots of grime and grossness. It's not just dirt, it's all mildew and junk. It's just kind of the state of things around here. Pretty gross. At least the trees are pretty. And because I've been away for work, the old lady tried to start this thing and wouldn't start. Go figure, the battery's dead because it's been sitting. What happens when a car sits for too long? Battery dies. Struggles to start it when the starter doesn't turn. Might have to play with the battery. Maybe it needs a jump start. But well, let's see what happens. Now, I tried Googling how to wash your shit box on the old Google box, but I don't recommend it. I don't know if I'm flexible enough. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Anybody want to buy a set of RGRs? They are 18-inch BBS RGRs. They are currently unobtainable. They do not make the size and offset anymore. They're 18 plus 35. Staggered setup. I think it's 9.5 in the rear, 9 up front. It's good luck. First and foremost, the biggest flaw of the Volvo 245 is probably the vent, because as you can see, it's quite full down in there. There really isn't a good way to get the stuff out of there, no matter what you do. There's just is what it is at this point. Climbing under the hood here, used to be super clean, but now not so much. You want to pay attention to the debris that ends up under the hood hinge. when you get a bunch of debris in there, it can't close all the way, and then your hood ends up propped up in a weird way. You could also damage the hood hinges. Luckily, I don't think we're dealing with that right here, but we do have quite a bit of grime to take care of in here. Oh, pay no attention to that. That's a kickdown cable, broke. Oops. If you have a look along the edge here, yeah, that's not good. If you let that sit, moisture can build up, and that's how you start rusting. Luckily, this car is very rust-free. Not even under the battery is there a sign of rust. Looks like the battery's not sitting on the tray. Probably have to fix that. Damn you, brains! Damn you! When you wash around under here, you want to be careful of the coil and, of course, the distributor cap. If this sucker gets a little wet, you're not going to have spark, and then you're not going anywhere, which it's not a fun time. Looking up along the seal here, it's yeah, full of junk. Another spot where water can collect. It's kind of the name of the game here. I guess I'll use my hand. When you get a bunch of crap stuck up under your hinge, like down in here, that can actually cause the hinge to bind, and then if the hinge doesn't move smoothly, you're gonna bend the hood. Usually about right in here. Sometimes it's further up in here, but usually it's this one right here that'll bend. Not a good time. I'm gonna go ahead and give this thing the plastic bag treatment, not to be confused with the paper bag treatment, which your old lady might need. We're gonna go one bag on the coil. You wanna make sure you get it nice and tight around the ears, and you squeeze around the neck until it turns blue in the face. Huh, there we go. And number two, we're gonna do the distributor. Again, get it around the ears. No, it's not perfectly tight on there, but that's just to keep some of the moisture off. Okay. Step two, use some sort of degreaser. This is actually Purple Power. We just buy it by like the 5-gallon thing. We just go to town spraying her down. Okay, engine bay is looking really good. Super clean. Still a little staining going on in the back, but otherwise, pretty good. Would you stop? I'll call yourself, guy. I'll call you. How about that? Anyway, it looks like we got some mouse chew going on. That's fine. Tried not to do the outside of the car yet because we're not there yet. But it's looking good. Once you get it good and moist, go ahead and start it. Let it kind of dry itself out. Easily one of the best running 240s that I know of. Not so shabby. All right, let's do the rest of the thing. people don't take the time to get up in the lips or the door jambs of their cars. It's important, because if you don't, you get all sorts of junk all in there, especially up under the bottom. See that? Yep. Keep her clean, folks. Look at all that schmoo. Yuck. Another 240 spot to look out for. Up under the top edge of the hatch. Yep, that will collect a lot of stuff. So get in there, use your dirty old booger pickers. Clean that sucker out. Ooh. Remember, don't be afraid to get things a little wet once in a while. Number one, you need a shower. Number two, your lady will thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the nicest 240 that I know of. Pay no attention to the missing lug nut there. We don't have another one of these. And I forgot, so I never ordered one. That's the truth. But this sucker is looking good. Now, I didn't hand wash it. I didn't scrub it at all. That's just a spray down. I think we're losing sunlight here. That's a good looking car. Comment down below if you know of a nicer 240. Don't say the red one, because the red one, you know. We do have parts for it though. Expect a video about that soon. Nothing drives as nice as a 240. That's a good looking 240. They don't get much nicer than this anymore. I've been driving around for about 30 minutes trying to find a nice place with some nice fall leaves, you know. And it turns out the wind and the rain over the last couple days has kind of knocked everything down, and shit out of luck. Maybe next time. That engine bay is dried out nicely. Very, very nice. Well, I think that's going to be it for me today. I've been away for work and haven't been working on projects that much. So hopefully we can have an update on the red wagon in the next couple weeks. More problems, as you know. It's just, I don't want to make a video where I'm just finding problems and can't fix anything without parts. Damn you, planes! Such a nice 240. I should drive this more often. Comment down below if you want to see me do more things with that car. It's a cool car. We have it. I like it. It's comfortable to drive. Maybe we could road trip it. Anyway, thanks for stopping by Dean of Machines. I appreciate you hanging out, checking out the channel. If you made it this far through the video, consider leaving a comment, maybe a like if you would. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. We're growing pretty quick, faster than I thought we would be. So all you new people, welcome aboard. I have a couple new patrons, so thank you. Welcome to the party. If you want to join our Patreon, patreon.com/Dean of Machines, and you can help support these wonderful projects. Yeah. Thanks for stopping by. How about you get in your garage and you fix something, huh? Have a good night. Damn you, planes!